Hey there, so the childhood game I want to share with you today is play with this rubber band. As you can tell, if I do there, so the childhood game I want to share with you today is play with this rubber band. You just have to put it in your hand and you can just make different shape. Let's say this one, you can see the star, and you make some arrangement to it, it will become our double star. Easy? Yeah. So the pattern that I found from my study this week is basically the relationship between heaven and earth. In Matthew chapter 6, verse 14, it's just saying that if we have to forgive our fellow men and for what they have done wrong, and if we do so, our Heavenly Father will forgive our wrong as well. And I think it's a really good pattern and a life of living. Is just what we have been experiencing in this life is exactly what we will experience in heaven as well. So what makes the earthly home heaven is like a way that we treat other people and the way that we want to be treated. Thank you.